Hey, what's up, guys? John from johnmcneil.com here. And I'm going to actually just jump right into this video. I'm actually in my email as we speak. You can see my name, John McNeil. And so what I really wanted to show you guys is today, in about 3 hours, I was able to generate over $1,200. You can actually see that I received 3 different affiliate payments. This was the first one that came in at 11:36 a.m. That one was for $798. Then I had a little teeny tiny one. This came in at 12:33 p.m. Just like an hour later for $3.50. And then I had another one come in at 1:26 p.m. as you can see right here. And that was like an hour later. And this one was for $419, which is $419 plus $350 plus $798 is about $1,220.50 in about 3 hours of work. And the reason I was able to generate these commissions is I have access to something that I call the back end. And in this video today, I want to show you guys how you can get access to the back end as well and how it all works. It's going to jump right in. All right, guys, so it's going to talk about the back end commissions, right? So what we're going to be talking about is how I'm able to generate, thousands of dollars on the back end of products. And it has a lot to do with automation as well as just having good quality products to sell. And to be honest with you guys, if you have been following me, you will know that I haven't really been working that much. So like the last 2 months or so, I've kind of taken off. I haven't really been creating videos. I barely emailed my list, but again, automation, good products, it turns into commissions, and these commissions just keep coming in over and over and over again. So what I really wanted to explain to you guys, and it's not going to take very long to explain this concept, and then I'm going to give you guys access to some training so that you can learn how to get all of this set up for yourself. But typically the way the affiliate marketing model works is you essentially start off with sending some traffic to what we call a squeeze page, right? So this is a squeeze page, and then you get somebody to give me your email address. They opt into what we call your email autoresponder, right? If you're doing it that way, hopefully you are. And then you typically would send those people over to a sales page, right? And then this sales page would basically pitch them on a product. So if the person actually goes through and purchases this product here, then you would make money, right? And that's typically where the process stops for most affiliates. And a lot of times these first commissions here, they're very low. I mean, people can make, $10, they can make $20, they can make maybe $50 on a high end a lot of times with these front end commissions. But what's happening is, and what a lot of people aren't giving you access to, is what I call here is the back end commission. So I want to kind of explain what happens on the back end, because the person that owns this product here, so this product vendor, so let's say the vendor here, once your person or your lead buys that actual product, then they're on that vendor's email list. So now they're on that email list, and this is not only just a generic email list, but this is what we call a buyer's email list. So this is going to be even more important, right? And what this vendor is able to do, buyers are proven, and if they buy it once, they'll buy again and again and again and again. And so what happens is this vendor here, right, they'll start sending these buyers more offers. And those offers typically consist of higher ticket, mid ticket, more expensive affiliate products, services that they're actually making a ton more money from, a ton more money. But you, as the affiliate, you only see that first $20 commission, right? That first $20 commission that goes to you, you only see this. Whereas in actuality, there's thousands that are being generated on this back end that you're not privy to. So what I've been doing, and let me go ahead and erase this, and then I'll explain to you how you can actually start making money on the back end. All right, so what I've gotten access to is basically a funnel that basically does the same thing that you're probably doing now. So it starts off again with that traffic. It's going to a squeeze page, and I am building my list, right? So building my list here, getting emails, and so I can follow up with those leads. I do send them to what we call the sales page. And when those leads buy on the sales page, I do make commissions, right? But the great thing about this new funnel and this new system that I've been promoting, and I have been promoting this for a while, is that you remember when I talked about when it gets over to this other side. So let's just kind of put some dots here. So on this other side is where we call the vendor / back end, right? And so typically, as we kind of talked about a minute ago, you're not going to get commissions on this back end. All those commissions typically go to the vendor. But until now, with this particular system, this particular funnel, you can actually get access to those back end commissions. So what the vendor is actually doing is he's sending out over 200 emails. He has let's just say, I don't know, I mean, probably 20 to 30 different high quality products. And what's happening is all of those leads that purchased here initially that are coming over as the buyers list. So this buyers list here is now actually being fed those emails that has those 20 or 30 different products, and they can range from low ticket to mid ticket to high ticket. There's actual services, and all of these emails are going out. There's webinars going out, and all of these things are really going out on your behalf. And the great thing about this particular system that I'm talking about is you actually get a cut of the commissions, whereas in the typical affiliate model, you don't make anything. All you make is just this one little small commission here. Maybe you make $20, maybe you make $50 on high end. But with this system, you get access to the entire back end. So anything that's sold, any of these products that are sold, anything that's sold on the webinar, services, other affiliate products that are promoted within this entire back end, you are going to get, commissions, mostly up to 50% commissions. So what happens is once you start feeding people into this funnel, they start purchasing the front end offers. You got emails going out. You're making money here on the front end. You're building your list. You can also sell them other products yourself. But then they go into this machine, right? They go into this machine where it's actually just working on your behalf. Like I said, it's like over 200 emails of products, services, webinars. All this stuff is just working on your behalf, and you're not doing anything, right? So this is what I'm talking about, guys. So I just generated $1,200 in 3 hours, and I haven't been making videos. I haven't been sending emails to my list. I've been relying on, automation and quality products to do all the heavy lifting for me. And I'm able to generate, big paydays, right? So this is what I really want you guys to set up for yourself and to understand, like, this is how you actually can make consistent big money over time. So I really want you guys to be able to set this kind of system up for yourself. So what I want you to do right now is I want you to go ahead and click below. So there's going to be a link below. So I want you to click the link, right? And watch that training presentation, and it'll actually go more in depth on how this whole system works, how the whole process works, and how you can actually set up this whole system for yourself. This is the way the big boys do it, and this is the way you can actually, make a real profit, because if you're just relying on this one little commission, guys, you're going to have to make a ton of those commissions. You're going to be turning and burning. And if you haven't mastered traffic and conversions, you're going to lose money, and then you're just going to quit. So this year of 2021, I really want you guys to give it your all. I really want you guys to set up your business the proper way so that you can actually see those bigger commissions and they come in consistently. Consistently and big is the two operative words for this year. Big and consistent, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave it down below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. This is John from JohnMcNeil.com, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.